Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that RaveDAO token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, RaveDAO is a global community uniting music, technology and purpose. Since their first sold out event at Dubai 2024, they have expanded across Europe and Middle East, North America and Asia, hosting world-class experiences with over 100,000 total audiences and 3,000 plus attendance for each events. Beyond the dance floor, RaveDAO channels energy and attention. Beyond the dance floor, RaveDAO channels energy and attention towards impact. In 2025 alone, proceeds from its events help restore state of proceeds from its events helping restore site to 400 plus contact. In 2025 alone, proceeds from its event helped restore sight to 400 plus contact patients in Nepal and found over 150 plus mediation program across the US. Raved out token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supplies around 230.3 million RAVE token. RAVE token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bitget, BingX, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.